Well, the Indian Armed Forces have once again foiled another infiltration attempt from the other side of the border and exposed Pakistan's devious ploy to sneak terrorists into India.
In fact, the ISI has now begun using decoys to conduct recce's across the Indian border to find loopholes that can actually aid infiltration.
Indian Army foiling yet another infiltration bid, arresting this suspected ISI agent from Sialkot, Pakistan, trying to sneak into the Indian side. Fayaz Ahmed claiming he inadvertently entered the Indian side, with the army not ready to buy his story.
During interrogation, he revealed that he is from Sialkot and because of some domestic problem, he had come over to this side. But security agencies feel that this is a concocted story aimed to mislead them. Interesting part is that many of the Pakistani nationals who have been apprehending during the last few days have narrated similar story.
The army confident that Ahmed's entry into the Indian side is no coincidence, but part of a well-planned strategy.
We are and all the other agencies are also looking into it deeply. He was not insane. He was conscious that he was coming to India, and these two factors make it extremely suspicious as to why he was coming to India.
Ahmed's infiltration bid is one among many other cases, with him being the 7th Pakistani national apprehended by the BSF in the last 2 months.
We do have certain intelligence reports which indicate slightly more movement across the border of militants and anti-militants and terrorists in last 2 months, in the month of May and June. And we are alive to that and we are working on that.
The recent spurt in the number of infiltration bids along the border is raising serious concerns. But this arrest certainly comes as a shot in the arm for the forces. Bureau Report, Times Now.